to the cybersecurity headlines of the day. SystemBC Malware's C2 server analysis exposes payload delivery tricks. Genetic testing provider 23andMe confirms data breach hackers stealing raw genotype data of customers. Blackwood hackers hijack WPS Office update to install malware NSPX30 in cyberespionage attacks. Hackers target WordPress database plugin active on 1 million sites. Tesla hacked again. 24 more 0 days exploited at Pwn2Own Automotive Tokyo. Pakistan-based threat actor targets Indians with fake loan Android application. Ukrainian energy giant postal service transportation agencies hit by cyberattacks. Your security is our priority. Stay informed, stay safe, stay with us. Ampcus Cyber, your go-to source for the latest cybersecurity news across the globe.